Namo Siddhanam is the second line of the Navkar mantra, the most important and revered prayer in Jainism. It means, I bow to the Siddhas, the liberated souls who have destroyed all karmas and attained moksha, liberation. Life impact of Namo Siddhanam. Here's how chanting or understanding this line can impact your life. Inspires spiritual growth. It reminds us of the ultimate goal, liberation or self-realization. By reflecting on the Siddhas, we aim to purify our own soul. Encourages detachment from materialism. Siddhas are beyond worldly attachments. Remembering them helps reduce our clinging to temporary pleasures and pains. Promotes humility. Bowing to the highest souls cultivates humility and reduces ego. Brings mental peace. Regular recitation of Namo Siddhanam brings calmness and clarity, helping us stay grounded amid chaos. Guides ethical living. It encourages right conduct, non-violence, truthfulness, and self-discipline, key virtues in Jain philosophy. Connects with higher consciousness. It acts as a spiritual affirmation that we are more than just body and mind, we are pure souls with infinite potential. Brings mental peace. Chanting this mantra calms the mind. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and overthinking by creating a peaceful mental state. Improves focus and concentration. Regular repetition enhances your ability to concentrate. It helps the mind stay steady during work, study, or meditation. Reduces negative thoughts. Remembering the pure and liberated souls, Siddhas, fills the mind with positivity and reduces negative or harmful thoughts. Boosts memory and clarity. A calm and focused mind improves memory retention and helps you think more clearly and wisely. Improves sleep quality. A peaceful mind sleeps better. Chanting this mantra before bed can lead to deeper, more restful sleep. Helps with anxiety and depression. This mantra balances mental energy and offers emotional support during tough times, bringing hope and inner strength. Meaning of Namo Siddhanam. Namo Siddhanam is a sacred phrase from the Namoka mantra in Jainism. It means, I bow to the Siddhas, the souls who have attained liberation, moksha, and are free from the cycle of birth and death. Effect on the heart. Spiritual effect. Chanting this mantra brings inner peace and a sense of connection with higher, liberated souls. It inspires you to move towards purity, self-realization, and detachment. It encourages humility and surrender, which is emotionally soothing. Mental, emotional effect. Regular chanting helps reduce stress, anxiety, and overthinking, all of which are directly linked to heart health. It creates a calm and balanced emotional state, bringing comfort to the heart. Scientific, physical effect. Chanting in a slow, mindful way helps regulate breathing and heart rate. The vibrations and rhythm of the mantra activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which relaxes the body and lowers blood pressure. Benefits of Namo Siddhanam mantra for diabetes. Reduces stress and brings mental peace. Stress is a major trigger for high blood sugar levels. Chanting this mantra calmly can reduce anxiety and help manage stress, indirectly helping in diabetes control. Improves focus and mindfulness. The mantra helps in achieving a meditative state, which promotes mental stability and better emotional control, important for managing lifestyle-related conditions like diabetes. Balances inner energy. According to Jain beliefs, this mantra carries spiritual vibrations that help balance the body's internal energies, which may enhance overall well-being and immunity. Creates a disciplined routine. Chanting this mantra regularly introduces discipline into daily life. A structured routine is key in managing diabetes effectively, especially when it comes to diet, medication, and exercise. This mantra is not a medical treatment for diabetes. It is a supportive spiritual practice that works best alongside medical care, a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper medication. If you'd like, I can create a guided meditation or audio script using this mantra as well. The Namo Siddhanam mantra is a deeply spiritual and meditative chant from Jainism. While it is not a direct medical treatment, it can support overall healing and energy balance. In the body, which may positively influence vital organs like the kidneys, pancreas, liver, and lungs. Kidneys. Stress reduction. Stress and high blood pressure are major causes of kidney damage. Chanting this mantra brings mental peace, which can reduce such risks. Energy balance. The vibrational energy from mantra chanting helps maintain energetic balance, which may enhance kidney function. Pancreas. Support in diabetes. As mentioned earlier, reduced stress levels can improve insulin balance, which helps in diabetes management. Hormonal harmony. The pancreas is a hormonal organ, and mantra meditation helps regulate hormonal responses through calming the nervous system. Liver. Improved detoxification, a calm mind and better sleep, both of which are supported by mantra chanting, help the liver work more efficiently in detoxifying the body. Energy flow. Spiritual energy enhances the functioning of vital organs like the liver by maintaining smooth energy flow. Lungs. Breath awareness. Chanting naturally involves breath control, similar to pranayama, which strengthens the lungs. Improved respiratory health. Deep breathing during chanting improves lung capacity and overall respiratory function. The Namo Siddhanam mantra helps on an energetic, emotional, and spiritual level, indirectly supporting organ health. It should be used as a complementary healing tool, not a substitute for medical treatment. For best results, combine it with positive thinking, a healthy lifestyle, and proper medical care.